All right, here we go. Day 2, Cube Conundrum. You've launched high into this atmosphere, remember, by the tree bucket. The apex of your trajectory just barely reaches the surface of a large island floating in the sky. You gently land in a fluffy pile of leaves. It's quite cold, but you don't see much snow. An elf runs over to greet you. What a lovely place. I'm glad that he took inspiration from Tears of the Kingdom. Okay, nice. The elf explains that you have arrived at Snow Island and apologizes for the lack of snow. Absolutely pathetic. I would fire that elf. If I was Santa, I'd fire that elf right now. Get a new one in. Get a new one in. And please, no spoilers. No spoilers if possible. He'll be happy to explain the situation, but it's a bit of a walk, so you have some time. They don't get many visitors up here. Would you like to play a game in the meantime? Usually, whenever this situation happens, and the offered solution is playing a game, I just immediately assume I'm going to get murdered. All right, as you walk, the elf, let's play a game. It's time to play a game, little boy. Just like, ugh, no, not the murdering. As you walk, the elf shows you a small bag of some cubes, which are either red, green, or blue. Each time you play this game, he will hide a secret number of cubes of each color in the bag, and your goal is to figure out information about the number of cubes. Jigsaw elf, yeah, it's a jigsaw elf. I've heard you've been delivering presents again. Therefore, we will play a game. Let's see. To get information, once a bag has been loaded with cubes, the elf will reach into the bag, grab a handful of random cubes, and show them to you, and then put them back in the bag. And he'll do this a few times per game. Okay. This sounds extremely hard to me. I have no idea. You play several games and record the information from each game. Your puzzle input, by the way, whenever this, as of right now, just like in every interview I've ever had, my immediate first thought is there's no way I can solve this. Anyways, you play several games and record the information from each game, your puzzle input. Each game is listed with its ID number, like 11 in game 11, followed by a semicolon separated list of subsets of cubes that were revealed from the bag. 3 red, 5 green, 4 blue. For example, the record of games might look like this. Game 1, 3, 4, okay. In game 1, there's, 3 sets of cubes are revealed from the bag and then put back again. The first set is 3 blue, 4 reds. The second set is, how do you know there's, because of this, the semicolon. Okay, I see what's happening. The elf would first like to know which games would have been possible if the bag contained only 12 red cubes, 13 green cubes, and 14 blue cubes. In the In the example above, games 1, 2, and 5 would have been possible if the bag had been loaded with that configuration. However, games 3 would have been impossible because at one point the elf showed you 20 red cubes at once. Okay, this seems very simple. Game 4 would have been impossible because the elf showed you 15 blue cubes at once. If you add up the IDs of the games, that would have been possible. You get 8. Okay, so this seems pretty easy. This seems pretty straightforward. I feel like I should be able to do this. Now, if this was in Rust, I would effectively have this done immediately. Because this ain't Rust, and I ain't good at this, I still don't know how to do string manipulation and string parsing well in OCaml, okay? I still am so confused by it. In 20 minutes? In JavaScript, I could probably get this done in 3 minutes. Yeah, like if I didn't care about how it performed, it'd be pretty straightforward. No shot? JavaScript, no shot? You don't think so? Really? You don't think so? Really? JavaScript speedrun? You don't think so? Not possible? It's really not all that bad. All right,
welcome to Costco.
I mean, this is not a hard problem. All right, here we go. So, we'll go over here. Let me just look at this one more time. You know how, like, when people do Rubik's Cubes, they, like, look at it, they're like, okay, yeah, Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely got to do that rotation. Give it the old Lennox maneuver. We all. All right. Let's see. All right, and what are the rules? 12 red, 13 green, 14 blues. Okay. Can you solve a Rubik's Cube? I used to be able to, but I mean, solving a Rubik's Cube is not really like, it's just when you're just doing it as a layman, it's just like speed running. Okay, anyways, here we go. Let's just do this really quickly. I'm gonna jump over here. We're gonna get a timer. Okay, it might take me it might take me time. Oh no timer. Stop. That will just make a loud sound. Okay, here we'll do this. We're gonna jump in here. I'm gonna speed run this real quickly for you guys. Manage poll. Not manage poll. We'll do a little manage prediction. We'll start a prediction, and we'll go like this. Speed run day 1 or day 2, part 1. In less than 3 minutes, less than 5 minutes, right? You know that obviously you know. Okay, I don't want you guys to be stupid and be like, well, actually, technically, less than 5 minutes is the same thing as less than 3 minutes at 2 minutes. You get the idea. This is in JavaScript. Okay, less than 10 minutes. Greater than 10 minutes. Okay? Well, that actually, you turn into Stallone. All right. There you go. We're doing it in JavaScript. Now, can I actually get it done in less than 3 minutes? There's a lot of people that are believing in me, and you guys are sweethearts, but I don't know if I can actually get it done in 3 minutes. That's pretty aggressive on the typing, but we'll try. It's pretty aggressive on the typing. Let's see. All right, so I think I can do this. Hold on. I know he's not reading out loud. I know. I'm thinking. I'm planning my code ahead. The problem is I have to go into this. If we're going to speed run this thing, that's cheating. Okay. I didn't realize that. Okay. Stop coding in your head. Okay, well, F off. Here we go then. Start and go. All right, so if we have to go const fs equals require fs const file. I like the word contents. Okay, equals fs dot or read file sync. Oh, nice. Cubes, dude. How did you already know that? Input, right? I think I have it at input. There we go. We do that. We're gonna go split new line. Let's do it, right? Const. How do we want to do this? Reduce. Now I don't actually even have an idea. Thanks, guys. We'll go like that, and we will do. We'll first go like this. Const line. Let's see. Game ID equals line dot split on this, and then take off the 0 on that thing, and then split on white space and take the first one and go right here. Add the plus. Okay, so we got the game ID out. And then after that, what do we got to do? What's the shape of this thing? We got to split the other side. Okay, we're going to split on this thing, and we're going to take that thing, and we're going to go join. Actually, we don't need to join it. We need to split it on space. Is that true? No, we're going to want to split it on that. There we go. Take this thing, and we're going to want to, let's go valid. We're going to want to map over each one of these things, and we're going to have our, game. And from in here, we're going to go game.split on, okay, it's going to be split on these things. There we go, map. Let's see, dice, which is going to be then split on this thing. Const max equals this thing. Green is what, 13? I can't remember. Blue is something, and red is something, right? What is it? What is it? Where's the maximum? 12, 13, 14. Okay, 12, 14. There we go. Close enough. Dice split on the new line. 0. Const color equals this. Take that one. Count equals that. If count is greater than max color, return false. There we go. And let's go. Oh, can I just reduce this? Let's see. Let's see. What is it called? It's called. What's the thing that has some? It has some. Dice. Dice equals false. If there is a false, do that.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I could have done that way faster, but we're just going not as fast as I'd like to. Okay, I think that's my... I'm going to call that pretty good. What? What? ¿Por qué, Maria? Oh, yeah. If line equals this, return that. 0 F. Oh, dang it. Okay, maybe I can't. Maybe I suck. Now I suck. Now I suck. Now I suck. Ah. Yeah, I suck. What does sum do? Oh man, that is so BS. Let's go like this. Oh, wait a second. Return true. Oh, but that doesn't matter. What do we got here? Oh man, I'm gonna get greater than 10 minutes, aren't I? False. Yeah. Dude, nice statement here. Nice statement, by the way. All right, so that is what I wanted. So that does do that. So I do get this thing, and I get this thing, but I'm not returning it. Okay, I mean, so I know I'm close. I know I'm backwards on something. So what is the problem here? What did I get here? Really, they're all false. Why are you all false? There's no way that you're all false. There's no way you're all false. Console log. There's no way you're all false. Dude, I'm not even looking at chat. Refusing to look at chat. Console log game ID G, right? True. Wait, why are you all true? Why would you all be true? Why would you all be true? There's no way. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, what is going on there? Wait, what is my color? Did I get it wrong? 3 blue? Did I get that thing wrong? Did we get that thing wrong? Split. Do we got a trimming issue? Can you not trim? Is that not trimming? Damn it. Oh man, I'm done. You guys have just won. You guys have won. Dang. You guys win. You guys win. I thought I had that. Honestly, I thought I had that. Yeah, see? Yeah, see? Yeah, see? You see? So trim is really not... All right, so that's better-ish. That's better-ish. 2 green. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Why is there... Wait, what? Oh, it's backwards. Oh, I'm such a dummy. I'm such a dummy. Well, that sucks. I guess I got owned. I got owned. Let's see. So which games did I get? Which games are we getting true here? So I think this is right. I think that is right. I think that one's right. I know. I'm way off. Dang it. I thought I could just get that one. I thought I could just get that one. I'm not going to lie to you. I thought it would just work out. So I got them all as true, which seems a little bit incorrect. I should have 3 falses, right? I should have 3 falses. I should have, yes. False, false, false. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice. It should be some semi backwards. Okay, so we're super close. Dang it. Too much pressure and I crumbled. It's the damn sums. It's a... It should... Let's see, hold on. This one should be... Is there an every? Is there an every? If every dice should be true. That would return false. And then if some of them are false, then there we go. But how is that even plausible? I'll just go like this, and then I'll go like this. Man, I fell apart. I'm just the worst. True, 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 true. Yes, okay, so everything should be true. And if all those are true, then we are looking good. True, true, false. Okay, so that one should be false. That should be a falsified. We should have a false in there. Wait, ¿por qué, Maria? Yeah, let's go like this. Sometimes it's easier just go like this. Expects them all to be true. Is that the one I'm looking for? So let's see. I get 1 true, 2 true, 3 false, 4 false, 5 true, 8. There we go. I'm a dumb. All right, there we go. We're done. All right, time. What did I get? 10 minutes. It just hurts. It just hurts. Stop the count. I'm disappointed my day is ruined. Lost by 8 seconds. Unsubbed, unfollowed, L+ ratio. Dude, I'm such a loser. Let's see if I got the overall thing right. Did I get the overall thing right? Day 2, right, let's see if I got the overall thing correct. So beta, dude, I'm literally a beta male at this point. I actually think I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna only start doing things in JavaScript from here on out. I'm clearly not even worth. Dude, imagine if I get this wrong. Imagine if I get this wrong. Okay, well I didn't get it wrong, but you get the idea. Okay, you get the idea. You get the idea. Okay. Gosh, that was just so stupid. I was so stupid. Dude, those sum logics are hard. Using sum and inverting it, that was hard. I did it wrong. I should have slowed down. Go learn React. I know. I need to go just learn React. Do you know Valorant, an open source game engine be built completely in Rust? I'm glad that Rust is now starting to Netflix Q4 earnings in shambles. Yeah, I'm still deeply considering joining my friend instead of being at Netflix. I really want to do that. It would be a hard life change, but I still keep thinking about it. You know what I mean? All right, which friend? His name is JJ Prum the Micro King. Okay. Let's go back to OCaml. Okay, as we can see, the problem's not hard, right? What's his name? Nice, well done, Pirate Software. That's a beautiful number. That's a beautiful number. What's the thing called? What's the person? Oh yeah, Jeremiah. JJ Prum the Micro King. So I'm thinking about joining his e-commerce place, being CTO. Did my camera failed? Dang. So you're telling me not only did I just fail a 10-minute programming challenge, I also just failed having my camera. So anyways, no more Netflix, by the way. No more Netflix, by the way. But considering doing CTO of this company and helping them, it's a Go and Node place, so it'd be a lot of Go. And trying to build that out, I think it'd be a lot of fun. This is like one of my best friends in college, and my other best friend in college, and my other best friend in college. So it'd be three. No, I haven't left Netflix. Just considering it. Considering. What's their head count? Their head count is like 8 or 10 or something like that. So like I have three of the people there either have been a best man or asked one of us to be a best man in each other's weddings. So it'd be like a lot of my bestie best friends. So the startup will no longer be a meme. Yeah, at some point. I mean, this has to end at some point. I just haven't been genuinely. I haven't been like super happy lately at Netflix, and I would just like. I'm just looking at things, you know. I'm just thinking about it. I'm making no choices. I don't really want to make a decision for at minimum at least the next 6 months. There's some things I'd like to see done, but you know, just still thoughts I've been having. So, anyways. Yes, I'd be coding. Anyways. Your total dedication to streaming means that you think about it for at least a year. Dude, I've been thinking about it for a long time. Might be a stupid question, but how do you do streaming and Netflix at the same time? Well, I don't do them at the same time. Easy. Coding CTO. It'd be a coding CTO for a while. We'd have to grow into like $100 million company before I'd become a non-coding CTO. Right? Like, I mean, that's just... It would have to be a long time before I do that. Do you want to be a non-coding CTO? I mean, at some point, you'd have to be. It would make no sense. Are you going to be a regex guy? No. I would prefer to code or be involved as long as I can be a good person doing it. I used regex today. You're an evil man. All right, so let's do this. I speed ran it in JavaScript to see how bad it was. I did it in 10 minutes and 8 seconds. I feel like just a chump and a loser. All right, so now let's get started on the proper things. By the way, thank you very much, Teach. I appreciate that. 42 months. Could you actually not code? I don't know. It would have to be a really fun. I'd have to really enjoy my job, right? I will have my salary will be cut in third if I go over to this place, which means that I'd be partially living off of streaming income, which is not glorious. That's not necessarily a place you'd want to be. You don't want to be there. Anyways, all right, day 2. Let's go back to day 2. All right, let's continue to part 2, but we're gonna redo this one. All right, so how do we do this in OCaml my camel? Well, first thing is I'm just gonna keep this one in the tuck because that is, I just want this. Let's see. I want to be able to read this line by line, and so I want this thing. Yeah. All right, so let's paste that down there, and let's do that whole let channel. Is this how you do it? Open in. I do like that. Open in, and we'll just call it input. Let file equals. So far, I'm just doing this, right? File. There we go. Open file. There we go. And so then I should be able to go solve day 1, part 1. We probably need to rename that one. There we go. And we're going to want to pass in the channel. Do we need a sum? I don't think we need a sum, do we? Right now, let's just pass in a channel. Let's just pass in a channel for now.
Welcome
Oh
to
my
Costco.
goodness. I accidentally co-piloted in a pipe, one of these guys. I haven't done this in a long, I barely even know this. HH29092000. Thank you very much for that brand new tier 1. Is this auto-completion Copilot or something else? It's Copilot. I use Copilot and the other one. This language hurts me. There's a lot of things that are very neat about it. Does that work? It's kind of exciting. I like this. I like that. Okay. Camera died, people. All right. So let's figure this out. So we got an input. Okay, what is this? We don't want any of this. All right, can I go like this? I know there's a way to do like a... How do I do like a map? Do we want to do a map? I want to do a map. How to do map OCaml. I also need to do base. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna use open API. Okay, using a modern Dune setup, how would I include Jane Street base in my project and use it instead of the standard lib for OCaml? All right, give it to me. Give it to me. No, yes, we already did this. Okay, we did this. All right, there's let's see. Inside, you'll find the named Dune project. Okay, we knew this. Specify Dune dependencies in Dune projects. A Dune project file is file. You need to specify using Jane Street's base library. I want to be based so bad. This is typically done by adding a line using base 14 to the Dune project file, where 14 should be replaced with the version of base you wish to use. Adding your base to an OPAM file. I don't. Do we have OPAM files? I've never used OPAM. All right, base. That's fake. Is this all fake? Is this just 100% fake? Show us the Joe Biden joke. Oh, hold on. Before I do this, before we do that, we have to go to Mal. So before we do that, really? But I'm following Mal. Why don't you just bring up the people that I'm directly following? Malware? All right, hold on. Where was the one? Hold on. Because we had that whole robot thing going on for a while. Hold on. Dang it. Okay, anyways, she said something about... Because remember when everyone did the fake stuff? Anyways, remember when everyone did the fake stuff? You just make... Anyways, I forget which one it was. Anyways, you get the idea. So, with that in mind, then I went to here, and she said she's not a robot. So my natural response was, okay. And so I took a picture of this, and ChatGPT responds with this. And so I took a picture of it and said, prove it, right? Prove it. Are you a robot or are you not a robot? It was a good joke, but now you guys see it, so now you guys are like, what? What? It's a good joke. Hey, thank you, Rob Codes Live. I appreciate that. All right, anyways. All right, so this is not how you do this. Appreciate that. Didn't understand. Well, if you're not a robot, then you can't make a joke about Joe Budden, right? I don't get it. How do you not get it? How do you not get it's a double joke. It's Jover. It's so Jover. Did you watch TJ roast you yesterday? No. TJ roasted me yesterday, though. That seems about reasonable. Libraries. So I want base. Can I just get base? Now do I do OCaml install base? I want, is base or core? Which one's which? Oh, that Melk TJ combo. Yes, I do want to react to it. All right, so now how do I use this? Thank you, Rob Codes Live. Appreciate that. Now how do I use this thing? Do you do like using core? Using base? What's the use base? What's the technique here? Open. Oh my goodness, base? Do I go like that? Okay, so now I have base, right? I'm based. I'm based out of my mind now, right? I'm based, right? I'm based as shit now, which means that I should be able to do things in the based way, which means that I should be able to go like, now Jane Street base map. Now, how do I do maps? Is this what I want to use? Because I guess what I could do is I could just, this is, okay, so this is where my like, my ability to use OCaml completely falls apart. Like, I completely have no effing clue what's happening at this point. I think I understand it. So that means I should be able to go like this. Hold on. I just need to see a... I said the word base in there multiple times. All right. Yep, open base. Okay, we're based. Create a comparator for the map, since map in base is a functor that requires comparator for keys.
Welcome to Costco.
All right, so we got to do a little map make string map. Okay. Cool. Functor, I hardly know her. Okay, so this seems right? So that means I now go unbound map make. Do I need to go base map make? Is that how you do that? Functor is ill applied. Is ill typed. Little s, big S? Yeah, see, these are those things that I just don't even understand. What the F is a functor? It's like a function that produces a module. I don't really get it yet. See, these are the things I don't quite get. See, like nobody knows what happens here. So we're not going to use this yet. I'm not smart enough to use this yet. Try standard lib. Try standard lib. What is it? Is it literally standard lib? Map dot make string. Is that, do I have to do like module stir map? It doesn't autocomplete with anything, and it doesn't bring up anything here. Let's close that. Okay, so we got something here. There's two kinds of languages with OCaml. There's regular languages and module languages. Module language has functors, which are basically just a factory of functions that take other modules as arguments and make new modules. I know that modules had a baby. That doesn't mean I get it. Okay? What would you do if ChatGPT is down? You're giving the viewers the wrong example. Dude, I have absolutely no problem. I would use something different. Antoine, get him out. Get him out. We're not gonna do it. We're not even gonna do this. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Hey, Karen, it's me, El Gato. You probably have seen me before. But let me tell you a little something. I had to get somebody out, okay? I had to get them out because they came in flapping the gums, Karen. And now look at us. Now I'm in here ready to throw a laptop out the window. So you get me that laptop, I'll throw it. Facts. Camera down, camera back up. I forgot that I didn't have a camera. You know, every time I use ChatGPT, whenever I try to use it for learning, I don't feel like I know how to use it for learning. I always just get bad values and I hate it, and then I end up going to the docs. Like, I just never have good experiences. You know what I mean? But when I use it for very simple black box stuff, I feel like I always have a really great experience. Bring back Elgato. Hallucinating so hard. It's just like an assistant. It's like a really stupid assistant. A really highly confident person that knows nothing. Anyways, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. Red max equals 12. Blue, oh wait. Red max equals that. Blue max equals 13. Green max equals 14. There we go. Yeah, I'm doing that. You know why? Because I don't care right now because I'm too stupid to be able to use these things, okay? So I don't even know. Let's see. Exceeds max. Name count. Yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah, we're doing that, okay? Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, is that good? You know, when you really think about it, is that bad? The reality is that it's not bad because this problem doesn't extend that I know about. Right? 12 red, 13 green, 14 blue. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wait, no. 12 red, 13 green. Okay. You know, and one time, you know, like in real talk, it is. I see. This is nice and speedy. You know, this is about as fast as one can program it. Anyways, it's a neutral. It will never change as far as I can tell. So therefore, why make it more complicated? You know? All right, anyways. All right, so we got this thing. So I don't know how to parse out things. So I'm going to just say like parse game ID out of line, right? And so it should be pretty easy. I should be able to do a substring on a string. So what pattern matching utilities do you have? Like immediately what I can see is that I can do a substring from space. Scanf, scan. Okay. Scanf. I don't want to use a regex. How does it do this thing? Formatting input as a functional feature. Okay, it's already using words I can't understand. Okay, so I should read this, but we're not going to read this. Do we have any great examples? I probably need the chat regex bad. You know, you should avoid regexes where you can. Okay, so I'm too stupid to understand this. This is one of those things that I do. This is the OCaml part that I probably need to go off and I need to read, right? String to scan, pattern function to process matches. Okay. So, confused. So what we can do instead is I can do something very, very simple, right? So I should be able to go like this. String dot, there's an index of char string, right? Let's see, express. Oh, is it? What is index? Oh, it's string char. So there we go. Okay, this is good. This is good. And then I should be able to substring this thing out. Yes. And then I should go int of string. Yeah? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so just parse out the string ID. How'd we do? How'd we do? We did something, didn't we? Building that functional brain. My brain's not functional. Regex is never a nice solution. Regex crashes prod. The thing is I just avoid regexes in code for 99% of the reasons. Is pretty much this. Regexing in code, in real code, just asks for things to break. So I like to understand how you do string parsing. And so my plan is to use bad string parsing, and then at some point I'll use good string parsing. And I'd love to learn how to pattern match over it and all that. Okay, I gotta go pee. I'll be right back. All right, I think we're seeing what's going on here. I went up and looked up answers, obviously. There's no way I could solve this incredibly difficult problem. He said he loved me. All right. We heard you in the background. You asked your wife. No, no, you didn't. You heard me telling my kids that I love them. All right, so let's just make sure that this is correct. All right, so let's just start here, and let's go like this. Let's go let game ID equals parse game ID. Dude, I don't want the whole thing. And then I'm going to go like this. Let's see. Let's go solve date. There we go. And do that thing. And we're going to go print end line that. There we go. And for now, we'll just go like this. I do want a sum in here, right? I do want a sum in here. Let's go sum. And let's go like this. Sum. We'll go channel. And then we'll go like that. And we'll do sum.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
And then we need to do a string of int. I still suck at that. Like, I don't know how to make this thing. I still suck at my parentheses in this language, too. Right? I still don't know how to do my parentheses all correct. I always over-parenthesize them. So what's at? Okay, I gotta... OCaml, at, syntax, yeah, operator. I've seen this before. Hey, thank you very much, Lucas.
Welcome
I appreciate that. And Rem and Lobo, appreciate that. Pipes are nice. Yeah, I know. I've seen this at and all this. Where is it? Just show me the. Okay, it doesn't even exist here. Let's see. The operator introduced in pervasives. The always open module. Wait, what the hell are we even talking about? Boobs? Is that what it is? Chain those pipes. Yeah. Basically, is a type of A to B.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Fuck you. Fuck you, OCaml. Did I do that right? Am I doing that right? Okay. So let's just try to go do... Okay, awesome. I'm not doing it correct then. I'm not doing this correct. That's good. All right, so what's the formatter? I should probably have to go with something like this. Right? Yeah. Yeah. And then I don't need to use printf, right? Wait, hold on. What is printf say? What the hell's your problem? Am I not doing this right? What am I missing? What am I missing there? Is there no scanf? Dylan Mulroy should get on the stream. I know. Dylan Mulroy, why are you discriminating against YouTube comments? I'm not. It's just that I don't read YouTube comments. All right. I've used this before, but I feel like I don't know how to use it. Let's see. Okay. Can't say I understand what that's trying to say. Same as, damn. But output on standard out. Same as, damn. Would you look at that? Is there like a hidden something in here? No, we just don't even get to see it. Same as, damn. No one is discriminating against YouTube comments. I'm pretty sure we were discriminating against YouTube users that leave comments. Printf into the void. All right. Because what I want to do is I want to do that. Let's see. I guess what I could do is I could just do this. I could just do this instead because I'm still. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get good enough. Okay, so there's my problem. Interesting. Why is that? So I'm not doing this thing right. This did not get put in correctly. I really thought, okay, so how I thought this was executed was the following way. Is I thought this was executed like this. String, sub, line, this one, then this one. Is that not correct? Tomb Raider booba? No, there's no Tomb Raider boobas here. So I thought it was going to be like this. I could have done that way easier. I thought I was writing this, which clearly I'm not. Because if I did that, we'd still get that. Why? ¿Por qué, María? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué, María? ¿Por qué, María? What? All right, now. Oh, it's length. It's length, people. People, it's length. Gosh. Darn. 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 Shoot. Darn. Okay. Dude, I've always hated length. I think length is a true disaster. Honestly, I've always, I stand by that. Length is the truest disaster. Is end, like, can I not use end? Is end one of those words you're not allowed to use? Why is that a problem? This typed hole should be replaced with an expression of type int. ¿Por qué, María? ¿Por qué, María? Right. And this is an int. Okay, that's an int. End is a reserved word. Okay, yeah. That's what I thought. Okay. All right, so there we go. We get a space 1. Okay, good. Okay, good. So we got to do a little +1 here because it's after that. There we go. Okay. Cool. We've now just added up the games. Yeah, I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. Mom, I'm smart. Yo, mom! Yo, mom, I'm smart! I'm smart ass, mom! Okay, so we got something. What's your opinion? What's your opinion of Golang? I think Golang's great. Yo, mom! Yo, mom! Yo, mom, I think I'm smart, mom! Okay. So I'm gonna parse out round. Yo, mom! Round is just going, I'm just going to assume that it's correct. So this is how I would solve this because I'm a rookie. I'd hit myself with an ox that has a line. This is good, okay? And I'd get my start index is where I'm starting from. My end index is up to but not including the semicolon, okay? So I'm gonna go like this. End index equals string line, nope, no. We want the semicolon in this bad boy. And so that means my round equals substring from 0 to end index. Yes, that should be correct. That should be correct. All right, so now how do I honestly don't know how to work with lists. So I kind of want to keep calling. I want to do something like this. If, let's see, let's look back at this thing where I'm refusing to use regexes, okay? So that means I would start here and I'd go up to here, I'd get this thing. So then I'd want to +1 from the end. I'd want to +2 from the end. Okay, we'd want to +2. End index, yep. Next start equals end +2. If next start is greater than or equal to string length of line, then we want to just simply go round to list. Yes, that's exactly what I want to do. Okay, so this is the constructy thingy. That just means that I add round to the front of list, correct? Man. I'm parsing, yeah, I want to use, I'm trying to do, let's see, good for you. I decided to try regex for these and I'm crying. Straight up, not having a good time. Well, it's not that I'm 100% positive I could easily do this in a regex. The thing I want to do, why not just split everything and split some more? Because I like to string process. I'm trying to understand string processing. I feel like if you understand string processing in a language, you will get,
Costco. I love you.
Like that's like the fundamental basis of understanding a good language is how does it string process? And then from there, you start going from there. Like how do you build lists from strings? How do you do this? And so I'm just starting out. Just let me have a moment. This is where I just like to, I'm sorry. For me, there's only one way in which learning a language, a new programming language, is effective at all, is I always start off on string processing. I want to see how does it do iteration? How does it do, what is its standard library like? How does it convert between string numbers to numbered numbers? How does it do all these things? And that is like a really good insight into how effective the language is. And so my personal recommendation always is to start with string manipulation, string processing. That's why I love Advent of Code. It's why I love Advent of Code, because it's one big exercise in string manipulation. Yeah, that was a YouTube short. That was a YouTube short for show. I even started it off, like I really leaned in. I even started it off with like the best way, the effective way to learn a new programming language. Hey, Durable Smile, thank you.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Okay, this is not my fault. Okay, this is not my fault that I've been under scrutinized. Okay, I feel like I'm a champion when it comes to don't use regexes, yet somehow I spent an hour this morning writing my parser with parser combinator. See, I need to understand that entire sentence better. And looking at this will be, because this all looks great. Like what you've done is just beautiful, by the way. Okay, I love your little example. I love that you put a nice little example in there and all that. It looks beautiful. Monads. Monads. All right. That is a W. It looks really good. So I'm still going to keep doing it pretty iteratively. My plan is to continuously always do things in a very iterative way. Okay, it just makes sense to be, or not iterative, but I'm still very procedural in my thinking. Does that make sense? I'm very procedural. So we're gonna go sub next line. Dude, my kids are apparently to length of line minus next start. Yep, perfect. Yes, that's what we want. And then we want to add the round to the front of the list. Yes. Okay, good. So I have now, so I should technically be able to just simply go like this. Do I have to type in? Is in a requirement? No. I think now can I just go like this? Aux, that. Oh, do I need to do an in at the end? I do need to do an in. Do people do an in like right here? I kind of like that. I could buy this. I like that syntax. I like that syntax. That's nice. By the way, Dylan Mulroy, Dylan, I know you're hanging around here. I am going to be getting you on here to talk to me about OCaml, potentially. I have TJ. TJ is coming to my house, and so we're going to have a lot of just in-person discussions about OCaml. So that's why I haven't extended any invite. It's not that I don't like you. It's just that TJ's literally going to be here on Wednesday. Yeah, he's going to be here on Wednesday. So we're going to have some boys' nights. We're probably going to play some video games. TJ, what do you want to play? Do you want to play hardcore classic WoW? Teach, you want to play hardcore classic WoW? Never played, but okay. That's actually I know, dude. TJ and I have zero experience playing WoW pretty much at this point. Yes, I can moderate a discussion of OCaml. TJ, I already have enough accounts. Me and my boys have been playing. We played a little bit. We're like level 7 of current Warcraft. Completely different game. I have absolutely no effing clue what's happening. Imagine paying $15 a month for a 19-year-old game. It works. Okay, so there we go. So we've parsed the game, and we can parse the round. Is there an easy way to print out a line? I know there's not. Dylan, what's the one-liner to print out a line? Here. I in fact, don't give me print list. So I should be able to go like this. So I should be able to go list, iter, print, end line, this. Okay. Yes, but I want some spacing here. So I'm going to go. Okay, can I use like the at? Can I like use the at here? Can I just do that? Did I just use the at sign right? Did I just use it right? Because I'm tired of wrapping everything in stupid things, you know? I don't think so. Maybe pro gamer move. That's a pro gamer move right there. All right, let's go like this. Rounds equals parse round. There we go. And then I want to go print list rounds. And then that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Exception not found. Okay, so what happened there? Let's see. Raised standard exception, day 2. Let's see. Parse round aux, line 28. Okay. 28. This is where we need to do the old matching, isn't this? So this is where I need to hit it with a match, don't I? I need to hit it with a match, don't I? So I hit it with a match, hit it with a width, jump in here, and then what I want to do is I want to return out here list. Else, see, how do I return a list? See, this is where my OCamling sucks, because now I'm doing something like this, which is like, I would argue I do not like that. It's making me indent, so I don't know how, like, I would love to be able to have, I want early return, right? I love early return. Early return prevents me from making stupid mistakes. Okay, let's see what we got here. 1 red, 2 green, 6 blue. Nice. Okay, so this is odd. I know why. Je m'appelle know why. We're going to go like this. index of, dang it. Let's whip out that end index, huh? Let's whip out that end. Oh shoot.
Welcome to Costco. I love
Thank you. Let's go. Who just did that? Thank you, Doudeman. Dudeman. Très bien. Oh yeah, dude, je m'appelle. Michelle, this language has like every keyword ever. It literally has them all. You know, you can do, yes, I do know about that. Your LSP might work better if you run Dune build watch in the background. Okay. That's good to know. I didn't realize that. Okay, that's actually cool. That's good to know. Thank you for that. All right. So we have this beautiful little thing going on here, which means that I'm going to get this plus end index. And then in here, I can go parse round, and I can go with string subline end index plus 2. No, I don't really want to do that. I want end index plus 1. Okay, people. Wait, what do I do to end index? Okay, no, I don't do anything to end index. I just want to do a plus 1. Okay, I think that looks good. I think I like that. I really hate the fact that we use length. All right, what do we got here? We get one of them correct. We get this one correct. Then we don't get this one correct, though we need to get this one correct. Okay, so I goofed that one up. Notice that I've goofed that up. I've goofed this up. I've goofed it up. I know why we're not doing this one. This one I'm a little bit confused on. What is this one? ¿Por qué, Maria? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? So I somehow started right here. That's not right. Why do you not like length? Why do I not like length? Because whenever you're working with strings, you typically, I mean, my ideal API would have both a substring by length and a substring by end index. But typically you find that it's just really annoying. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'll try that. Let's try that. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Game ID rounds equals string.split on char this inline. Okay, I assume this returns a tuple, right? A string list. Interesting. Can I pattern match just 2 items out of it? Like, is there a way to just pattern match? Is there... Like, am I getting close? I'm getting close, aren't I? All right, Dune pattern match is not exhaustive. Here is an example case that does not match.
I love you.
How do I say the rest of it? Okay. I want these 2 plus the rest. Is it always tail? Okay, it doesn't work with the empty case. All right. Okay, we got this. We got this. We got this. We're going to get this. Here we go. We're going to get this. See, this is why, you know, this is... I think I got to do that. And then I got to do this. Okay, so I think it's that. And then I'm going to do everything else. How'd I do? How'd I do? Oh, thank you, Teach. Thank you, TJ, for that big raid. Thank you, TJ, for that big raid. Let's go. I think this is right. I think this is right. I'm developing .NET using NeoVim. Is that technically hate porn? First off, I don't want you to say that phrase again. How many keywords does Camel have? I don't know. Enough. All right, so I think we got this generally. So game ID string, right? That's the string. That's that string. Careful, chatter. You're not in a good place, chatter. Okay, I want you to know that. I want you to know that. You're not in a good place. You don't want to be here. So I don't need to do this. I simply need to go end length is going to be... So I should be able to just do this. So if I've done everything correct, let's go. I'm going to just go like this for now. I'm going to go like that for now. Oh, crap. There's no easy way to do comments, is there? Hey, Teej. Hey, Teej. How you doing? Hey, Deej. Hey, Deej. Hey there. Hey there, Deej guy. Hey there, Deejy guy. And let's get rid of this thing. We don't need that anymore. Yeah? 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 All right. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think I'm getting this. Okay. Okay, so we did parse out everything. Okay, so that's probably a better way to go. I like it. I like it. You use them, let's see. Let's see, when do you use semicolons? You use them to close finish a statement. See, he's using those words again. He's making you feel stupid. All right, so we now have game ID string. So now we need the round string, right? Or I guess these are technically rounds. So I'm gonna grab these back out. Okay, so we're in the right direction now. My string parsing skills, not good. My string parse, I'm very weak. I'm weak on the strings right now, boys. Weak on the string. Weak on the strings right here. All right, we're gonna parse rounds. We're weak on the strings, okay? This should put me precisely where I need to be. I wish I could, is there a way to like split on string? I wish there was more than just split on char, because I need to do a substring. I need to do a substring. I need to do a substring. I don't have split. I don't have split, so this must be OCaml stuff. Here's my, teacher, we'll look at yours in a little bit. Base might have split on string. Yeah, I think base probably has split on string. Okay. Oh, well. So now this is interesting. Let's go like this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to move this back out. Trust me on this one. Wait till you see what I'm doing. Put a little in here. Go like end index equals this. Okay, we're getting close. We're getting close. How'd I do? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so. Yes. 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 I'm happy. No base. Use containers. Okay, I know, but see, when you say these phrases to a new person, just so you know, it doesn't help anybody. Let someone flounder for a little bit, okay? Let them flounder. It's okay. You don't have to. You don't have to. So this is in base. So what is this? Is this... So there is a... But it's on char. I don't want a char. I want it on string. Split on chars. Why doesn't this show up for me? How come I don't see this? Are you using OCaml for fun? Yeah, for fun. We're having fun. We're having fun! I hate Microsoft so much. When you use Azure's VMs at work. You know what I mean? You need base string split. Ah, so much fun. We're having fun. You didn't open base. Okay, so this is base. We're getting based out of our mind. We're getting based. So is this okay? So is this OCaml? What is this one? Containers. Okay. See, now you're doing that thing again where I don't even. Okay, I'm not even looking at you anymore. Now I don't even know what that means at this point.
I love you.
Thank you. At this point, I don't even know. Programming problems. Yo, Prime, is there a private leaderboard for your community? No, I'm not even looking at it at this point. You've now confused me. Now I'm gonna ignore your comments. Okay. See, this is what you earn. This is you've earned that. Okay, you've earned it. So I'm gonna go like this. Sub rounds. I want to go from 1 to string length -1. Wait, yeah, because of length. Ooh, length. I effing hate length. I hate length. All right, so I should be doing pretty good now. Whoopsies. Should be doing pretty good, and I have an exception. Okay, we're doing good. Let's see, solve 1, part 2, 49. Okay, let's go to 49. Okay, so, hey, thank you, Jack. Yo, Jack. Yo, baby Jack. Thank you, Jack. Hey, Jack, baby, Jack, I just want to let you know, Jack, I really appreciate that. Jack, I'm turning into Bobcat Goldfwin. Right? All right. Okay, good. This is looking correct. Okay, so that is looking correct. So, what have I done wrong here? So, if I've done this correctly, then I should be getting... Right? Okay, so, what is the problem here? Raise that invalid arg. Okay, so what is the invalid arg here? What is the invalid arg? Okay, better, yes. But still, I'm getting an invalid argument. I don't know what that means. So I'm going to go like that. And do that. So we can at least see what we're getting here. So I'm getting this. So that's correct. Okay, so everything's correct now. Now I have to do it down here. And I have to go rounds, right? All right, what do we get here? All right, let's take out all this other crap that I'm printing right here. All right, so we get this. We get 1, 2 green, yes, yes. Next game. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, this is looking good, right? Is this looking good? Game 2. Game 2 has 1 blue, 2 green. 1 blue, 2 green. 3 green, 4 blue, 1 red. 3 green, 4 blue, yes. And then has 1 green. Yeah, there we go. Okay, beautiful. We've parsed out the rounds. All right, so we've parsed the rounds. This is where I want to understand how to use like these list iterators. Hey, thank you, Resolve. I appreciate that. This is where like list iterators would be really useful for me. Because like this thing produces a list. And now I'd like to do I'd like to iterate over that list and turn it into trues and falses if it's valid or not. You know what I mean? Like, I want to be able to take this and put it into like list.map, right? I'm not sure if I've even done this correctly. Is it okay, so it'd be tilde F. This, you must be using, again, I think you're using Jane Street, right? Do I need to use Jane Street at this point? Is that what that is? I was not using base yet. I'm not using base yet. I am not using base yet. Yeah, you nailed it. Okay. I do want to, I want to transfer to based. I want to become based. I just want to feel the need why you want base, right? Like, the problem is that I don't understand why I want base. I know that it makes things easier for piping, but I don't know why. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Yeah, red pilled out of my mind. I just want to be based. All right. Yesterday was the first I ever brought base into a project. I normally default to standard lib. Okay, yeah. I'm just not based. Yeah, see, I don't think you need to run into it. Based in OCaml build, just I can't even help it. Can't even help it. All right, so what I want to do is I want to go like this. I do want an aux function here. I'm going to call it dice. And I'm going to have list. Yes, I think this is right. And then I want to do aux string dot. See, there's split on character, but I need split. Where is split? Do I need to do like some sort of base split? Is this a thing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's the one I want. And I want this thing to split on that. String char list. Okay, so it'd be, there we go. Here. What is this? Label was omitted in the application of this function. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means yet. Split on? Oh, do I have to do an... Oh, okay. All right, so there we go. So this looks good. So now I have this bad boy. So I'm going to just check, is this a valid round? So I have my dice round, which should be the already split items. And if we look at a game... Okay, so now here's the problem, is a game may throw an exception, right? It may throw an exception. So I'm going to go like this, match... Right, it may throw an exception because there may not be one of those. So I need to go with, let's go like this. We're going to do split. And if I have something, right, we'll call this thing, let's see. What does this return again? It returns a list of strings, right? Rounds. Now I have to think about how I want to do this. Dang it. How do I walk this thing well? Dang it. Man, my mind sucks on this. Okay, I gotta go pee again. I'm sorry. I drank so much yerba mate and a liter of water before starting. I feel so bad at this. I hate being bad at this. You know what I mean? I hate being bad at a language. It just makes me frustrated. All right. Okay, so just use Java, bruv. It truly does. It does. It does suck. It sucks to be bad. Okay, I think this will work. I think I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go aux rounds this. Else, if it goes exception, right? There's like this exception not found, right? Instead, I'll go aux rounds. Yes, that's what I want to do. Okay, does this make more sense? So now I should be able to use the head, right? There's a way to get out the head expression. So now I can go match rounds with, and I should be able to go head. No, wait, that's not. You go. What do you do? Do I go like this? Can I just do H and T? Is that fine? Can I just do head and tail? Like, is that fine? And then the empty list. Now I need to do something with the empty list, right? I need to do something. We got to figure out, well, what am I returning from aux? That's what I need to figure out. So we're going to go through the rounds. I guess I don't technically need a list. It just needs to simply return true or false if this thing is valid or invalid. Right? Yeah. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to print H. Right? And then I'm going to go aux T. Let's start with this. See, I want to be able to do this, right? I want to be able to go valid round. Yeah? Yeah? What are you? You're a bool list? Let's just not even do this yet, right? All right. I think all right. So we got it close. Look at this. So we did get close. Do you see this? Okay, so we can fix that. I can fix her. I can fix her. I can fix her. Man, she's a lost cause. Is she a lost cause? Am I that bad? I can fix her. Okay. So is there a way to match on on strings? Is there a way to match on strings? Like, can I do something like this? Like, can I do that? Like, I want the head item that starts with the space. Like, is this an available option? Yes, 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 yes. Def. No. Not quite like that. Yeah, I figured it's not quite like that. I understand that it's not this. Chars, not strings. Oh, chars, not strings. Oh. Well, then how... No, because it's a... Okay. Well, the string coming in is this. Here. Let's go like this. Check this out. So let me first explain the problem I'm trying to solve. Do you see this? The first one's good. The next one is not good. It has this extra space right here. Right? It does this little extra space here. See, okay, match my string. See, I don't want to... See, the thing is, I don't know what's the string starts with. String strip? I guess I could string strip this, babe. Let's just string strip it, baby. String strip it. String... Is strip a thing?
I love you.
There's no strip, is there? Trim?
Welcome
Is there a
to
trim?
Costco. I love you.
Hey, I love you, you little hot dog. You little hot dog. You little hot... Yes, that's the thing I want. Okay, so this is good. Based AF. Based. Casual Python enjoyer going on right now. Casual Python enjoyer. Here we go. All right. So that means I should be able to take... There is a subster. So now I should be able to take this string, right? And I should be able to pass this string in to the next one, correct? Split on car? Does this not work? Oh, see, oh, shoot! Shit! See, I hate poorly designed functions like this because, like, I can't pass the thing in. You know what I mean? I can't pass it in. You know what I mean? I can't pass the thing in. Falcor is dead. Java is not. Yes. I see that we're saying phrases. Well done. Well done. You've said something. This function has car string. Wait, it does? Then what the hell did I do wrong? On. This expression has type unit, but an expression was expected on type string. Shit. Okay, you're right. You're right. What does this thing return? This returns a string list, which means I can go down here and do what I... Do I have to do a little matchity match? I don't want to keep matching. There must be an easier way to do this. There must be an easier way to do this. But this is where, this is why I like to do it this way, because now I'm learning. We're learning, okay? We're learning. Okay, I don't know how to... Am I getting closer? Am I getting closer? Okay, I think I'm getting closer. I think I'm getting closer. We're getting closer. Let's go like this. Count color. Then do I need to do something like this? Do I need to like toss out a unit? Do I need to... Okay, this is not... Pattern matching is not exhaustive. Okay, well, I'm kind of exhausted here. Damn it. Damn it, I don't know what I'm doing. Damn it, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, and I feel bad about it. Wait, hold on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, we want something like this. Yes, we do. Did I just make a better understanding? I think I just made more understanding. I think we're making understanding here, people. I think I just made an understanding happen. I think I just did. Okay. Oops, not in. Okay, so the reason why the other one didn't work was that it was head plus rest of list. There's either 2 items in here or there's none. Okay. We're getting places. We're getting places. Man, I'm literally gonna slay this. We're gonna slay this effing dragon with the world's most procedural functional programming of all time. Okay? I am going to... Who? Copilot! You son of a bitch! What kind of language is this, Copilot? Copilot! Alright. Copilot just made me... All right, hold on. Let's go like this. So I want to go like this. Let valid equals exceeds... Oh, man. Invalid. Yeah. Exceeds math. So we're going to want to go like this. Yeah, so it's name it. Okay, so that's good. That is the way we want to do it, like that. And this is a bool, right? Did we get this correct? This is a bool. Bool. All right. False invalid. Dude, I effing hate that I have a not in there. I hate that I have I hate knots. I hate having knots like this. Valid around. No, dang it. I already have that. I hate that I call it... Dude, I hate the fact that I have bool. All right. False. True. Oh my goodness, I am so... We got it. I am literally dipping it in. I'm dipping this in. Game 3. We got a true. What about game 4? We got some trues. We are dipping it. We are dipping the hot dog in. We are dipping the hot dog in right now, boys. Invalid equals true. Everyone's favorite. Everyone's favorite. All right, so... So if we get this thing, let's think about it this way. Are you ready? When there's nothing, when we all right, so we return true at the end. If invalid, If invalid, then simply false, else
Welcome to Costco.
oxt,
I love you.
right? We're going to want to keep on going, and this is what we want to do. If we hit this case, I'm just going to say fall. I really want to use fails with. Can I just use fails with instead? I really want to be able to do this, right? Because it really is like, I guess, can I not cover the like, so what I should be able to do is this. Yes. Did I do this correctly? Damn it, I didn't do it correctly. What am I missing? All right. Hold on. We got this. This should return true. This branch returns true. This one returns not true, right? I'm so bad. I'm so bad at this. We're so close. We're so close. I know it. So if we hit it empty, we're true. We just return true. If we hit this case, we either return true or whatever the next aux thing is, right? If we hit invalid, we're false, right? Dude, I know. Do you like this? Do you like how bad this is? So this, here, I'm just going to go like this. False. False in, right? Okay, so that means I'm actually just doing a bad job. That means I don't even know what I'm doing. Does that mean I just simply don't know what I'm doing? Okay, so turns out I wasn't doing a good job. Turns out I'm not doing a good job. Okay. So which one of you guys are bad? False. I'm not even sure why that's honestly, I don't even know why that's a syntax error. Honestly, I don't even know why. Oh, in. This case is unused. Okay. Man, I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad at I'm so bad. Wait, say what? Say what? How am I so bad at something? How am I this bad? How am I emotionally this bad? Skill issues, dude. I am so skill issued right now. I am so skill issued. I am a skill issue. All right. So do I still got, okay. So I am getting string, unused variable count. Okay. That's fine. Here. All right. We almost have this. We almost have this thing. All right. This pattern matching is non-exhaustive. Here's an example of it not being exhaustive. Okay, so this inner match I've screwed up, right? So this is the part that I've screwed up. Which means, I think someone said that there has to be like an end statement. Right, how do I end this? So there we go. You need to wrap the match with the begin and end. Okay, what does that look like? Begin. End. I knew I'm a genius. I knew it. I was effing a brilliant man. I've always been a brilliant man. I've never doubted myself at any moment, okay? Only haters doubted. I saw some guy in there like, say it. Say OCaml sucks. Say it. You'll say it. I knew I was the smartest man alive. I knew it. I just felt it. I felt it in my body. Look at this. Just say it. Just say it. Just say the words out loud for me. I'd have a chat backseat program for me. Yeah. OCaml sucks confirmed. Yeah. Okay. I still don't think I like OCaml at the end of the day. I prefer, you know what, I'm perfectly fine with this. I know that if let's see, yep, I just use list fold left. Yeah, I know, I need to do that. See, that's the thing is I don't know how to use those yet, Dylan. So we're doing purely string manipulation, string processing as far as I can tell. Okay. So maybe now I need to try to do like a fold. List.fold left. Fun ac x. Yes. If x, then ac plus game ID. Else ac. Yup. Okay. This is looking good. We're looking good, people. We're looking good. We're looking good. But this is the part where I don't even know how to. What's the fold left signature? Fold left signature. It's the classic ABA. I knew that. I knew that. It returns an A, dog. You give it an A. Okay, we need to give it an A, which is sum, and then we need to give it a list, which is rounds. Okay. Okay, we're close. What is this thing? That's type int. What's this thing? String unit. F you. That's not no string unit. Ain't no string unit. What? That's not no string unit. Dog, that ain't no string. It's not no string unit. Okay, I don't even know what I'm printing here. I don't even know what I'm printing there. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. All right, channel. In channel. This one. String unit. Where do you get off? Where? Where? Fold left. Yeah, I mean, I can do that too. Oh, but it's still, but see. All right, hold on. This, okay, I've been here before. This expression has type int, but the expression found was type unit. So I need to go like this. All right. Okay. Okay, what do we do here? Let's just see what happens. Let's go like this. What happened if I go like this? What happened if I just do this? What if? You know? What if? Let's see. You know? Okay, we got a little bit of a problem here. Oh, we got a fatal exception, end of file. Okay, that's fine. Current sum. Okay, interesting. Why? Oh, I've done this wrong. I've done it wrong. I've done it wrong. So we're going to be valid, okay? Valid. Okay? We're going to be valid here. Okay? And what we're going to do here is if valid, if x, then we're going to keep... I don't want that. We're going to keep true. Else, let's see, if ac, and? Dude, what have I written? What am I writing? What the hell am I writing right now? Okay? What have I done? What am I writing? What am I am writing? No. 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 I'm a genius. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Yes. Got it. Got it. Got it, dude. I'm writing some of the most procedural OCaml ever. Now explain why it works. Oh, it's super simple why it works. Okay. I'm starting to get into lists now. Like, do you see the process of learning here? Do you see why it's important? Do you see this? Do you see why it's important not to just try to do everything the best possible way? Because, okay, I'm starting to understand lists better. Okay, so first we parse the game ID. Very, very easy. I know that fold is effing weird. I will give you that. Very, very simple. I pass in, okay, first we start by splitting on the colon. That means everything on this side is the game ID. Everything on this side are the rounds. Very easy. Unfortunately, the rounds start with the white space. So I remove the initial white space and pass it into parse rounds. Parse out the game ID, easy. Parse rounds is pretty easy. I'm going to match with semicolons. If there is no semicolon, that means that the rest of the line is the round. Else, we have to go up to that and not further. We get out the round. We determine the next start. If the next start is off of it, we're done. We return this newly parsed round plus the list. Else, we recall ourselves, moving this thing forward. So I'm parsing through the string. I'm literally walking through the string one round at a time. I create each one of these rounds, and then I fold, then I map over this, right? So then I map over it by simply going like this. This one is, okay, this is a little bit weird. I map over it, splitting the rounds by comma. If there is no comma, that means there's only a singular round. If there is one, then I just simply aux the rounds. Inside the aux, I get the head element plus the rest of the strings. I then trim off any extra white space. I split on new line. Then I get a count and a color. Make sure it doesn't exceed. If it is invalid, I return false. Else, I keep on going through the list. So I short circuit the moment I find an invalid element. If we get to the end of the list, we return true. If we raise an exception, meaning that we can't find a space, then we return false. If we get anything else, we get false because it's like invalid input. Bam, 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 bam. Easy peasy. We do that. We fold left. We go through every single item. The moment we find a false, then we just keep returning false for the rest of the list. That would mean that if it's valid, then we do the sum plus game ID. Else we just do the sum. We set it to sum. Bam, 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 bam. Keep on walking it. We're folding, right? We're folding. There you go. Does that make sense? I'm heading over to my stream. Oh, nice. By the way, I wouldn't expect a lot of you to understand. Here's my part 1 if you want to peep at that. I could peep at that sometime. This is why object-oriented 1. Unfortunately, you're not technically incorrect. I think it makes a lot of sense. Honestly, I do think it makes a lot of sense because I'm just string processing. That's all I'm doing. I literally program this like I would program in C. You know what I mean? Why do you use non-popular languages like Go, OCaml, Lua, and Rust? Go, Lua, Rust, and OCaml has a larger combined audience than TypeScript or JavaScript. And they're probably more my people. Well, the Rust community, yes. Rust leadership, no. But you get the idea. Liar! Okay. What, you're going to make a random guess into the internet? People are just more excited about it. So, yeah, why not? All right, let's go to part 2. Easy peasy, pumpkin seedsy. Had a wife, didn't keepsies. All right, 2256. 2256. What, you guys are going to make a guess? You guys going to make some guess? All right, let's go to the next one. Part 2. The elf says they've stopped producing snow because they aren't getting any water. He isn't sure why the water stopped. However, he can show how to get to the water source to check it out for yourself. It's just up ahead. As you continue to walk, the elf poses a second question. In each game you've played, what is the fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag to make the game possible? Again, consider the game from earlier. Okay. In game 1, the game could have been played with as few as 4 red, 2 green, and 6 blue cubes. If any color had even 1 fewer cube, the game would have been impossible. Game 2, okay, I see what's going on here. The power of a set of cubes is equal to the number of red, green, and blue cubes multiplied together. Okay. Again, this change, JavaScript, I could do this in 0 seconds. OCaml, we're going to struggle. Boys, we're struggling. We're struggling it. Okay? JS speed round. What do you guys think? You don't believe me? Hey, Erklin, thank you very much. You guys don't believe me? Is that what you're saying? How quick would you be at Rust with this? I'm not sure. I have a lot of string processing already in this one. There you go. We got a prediction going. We'll do a quick, dude. I'll speed run this thing so fast. It's wrong title. It's day 2, part 2. Day 2, part 2. Will I be able to do this in less than or greater than? It's part 2. Whatever. You get the idea. Will I be able to speed run this? I think this should be easy. Honestly, I actually feel like this problem is easier than the first one. Wait, in JavaScript. It's JavaScript speedrun. JavaScript speedrun. This one is easier in JavaScript. Part 2 is easier than part 1. Here. We'll go like this. Here, I'm going to delete this. Here, we'll delete it. We'll delete it. We'll go like this. We'll start another one, and we'll go like this. Part 2 in JavaScript. There you go. Everybody knows. Soy devs up pog. This part 2 is extremely simple. But you have to implement part 1 in JS. I have already done JS. I've already done part 1 in JS. I feel like part 2 is extremely simple because all you're doing is you're just literally taking them in. Part 2 is easier for sure. Yeah, you're literally just having a map. You're having a map of whatever. Yeah, you're taking the max, whatever. You know what I mean? You're finding the minimum number. You're taking the max. Can you drop the link to Advent of Code? Adventofcode.com. This is stock manipulation. Well, we don't know where it's going to be. All right, people. It's time for me to go. I'm going to go back a couple songs because there was a banger. There was a heater in there, and I feel like the heater just made me very excited. Oh, no, but I can't remember what the heater was. Was it Time Bomb? I've never liked this song. Nope, I don't like that. It's probably this one. Okay, my guess is it's this one. All right. All right. And going to the timer now. Timer, here we go. We're going to go to the timer. We're going to, oh, crap. Stop. There we go. And we're going to go here. I'm going to start this, and then we're going to go. Now, the nice part is that I am going to be, there we go. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. I feel ready. I hope you all are ready. Let's do this. I'm feeling excited. Now, hold on. I just want to make sure I understand the game. Is it the power set of every single game? Just to make sure I got this thing correct, right? Did I close Advent of Code? No, I didn't. It is the sum, right? The power set of cubes equal to the number of red, green, let's see, power set. Let's see. The power of the minimum set of cubes. Okay, so we add it all up. Okay, so it's the sum of every game. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. Okay. Hold on, we got to get back in the zone. Okay, just wanted to make sure I have the rules correct. All right, And go. All right. Let's see. Let's just, I don't even need that anymore. We do one of those. We're going to go const max equals this, red, 0. Let's go like that. Blue, green. Okay, great. We got that thing done. Game ID. We don't even need game ID anymore. We're going to split this. Valid line, dice trim, if max count color is less than count, then there we go. Really, I can just go like this. We'll go like this, equals math.max, color count, bam, bam, bam. There we go, we're gonna do that. We're gonna take out that thing. We're gonna take out this one. We're gonna drop this into a for each. Take that out, oh my goodness. Bap, 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 one of those. Take all of this out. And now that we got that, we're gonna do all this one. We don't need this. For each, we'll make them each into for eaches. We'll do those two things. Bam, 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 bam. Take that thing out and then go like this. Max, red times max times blue plus that. And cool. Oh no. Contents reduce is not a function. Okay, what do you mean? What's the problem here? Console log. Oh, yeah. That's because, no. That's because it's contents, right? I don't need anything else. Sorry, I got confused there. All right, so that's the number that I'm apparently whipping out, which seems a little bit large. And what are we doing? We're doing input. Oh no. Here, get out of here. That's way too large. That is way too large. Something has gone wrong here. Something has gone wrong here. But I mean, this seems reasonable, right? This seems reasonable. Why is it so large? Max times red times blue. Let's... Oh, I'm adding arrays. I'm adding it to the array. Boom. I think I got it. Stop. All right. So, do I get it with the big input? D2. And this is my answer. Adding arrays. Told you, that one's simple. That one was super simple. That one was like incredibly simple. Hot diggity. Okay, so that was pretty awesome. Good song. It's called High Score in the case if anyone wants to know, which I also happen to get this in 2 minutes and 31 seconds. You guys jealous? I believed in you. Give me my 5K. Unlock. Yeah. All right, manage poll. Choose outcome. Less than 3 minutes. Let's go. That was pretty fun. I had a good time. Well, less than 5 is also correct. I know. That's why we don't. No. We already talked about what that betting means. Get over it. OCaml is not transitive. I'm not sure what that means. But now my big problem I have is I don't know how to do this, okay? Just saying, I don't know how to do this, but let's take out this one. Okay, I'm going to take this one right here, and we're going to go like this. I think I can do this pretty quick. We're going to solve day 2, okay? All right, so we're going to do channel and sum, which is fine. We don't need a game ID. Get the hell out of here, game ID. We do want to parse out the rounds, and instead of going valid rounds, I am going to go like this. Instead of valid rounds, let's do something different. I'm going to go like this. Let min dice is going to have rounds, right? That's what I'm doing. Valid rounds. Yeah. All right, we're gonna definitely do that. So then we're gonna do this thing, and I'm gonna take this same thing right here, and then I'm gonna have an let aux. Okay, hey now, aux round. Right? Oh, I do rounds in here as well. All right, and I'm gonna go like this: red, green, blue. Yes. You guys like what you see? You should be liking what you see. Okay, you guys like what you're seeing here? You should be. I'm being clever, okay? We're being clever right now. And I'm gonna get something called like this. I'm gonna go like this. Let's see, how do we want to do this? We have rounds. And so what I've been doing is I've been doing this like little. I'm going to take this as well. Right? I'm going to take this thing as well. This feels good. I'm going to match the rounds. I'm going to strim to make sure all that we do that. We're going to have color and count. And then instead of doing this, I'm simply going to go like this. This is going to be so disgusting. This is going to be so disgusting. Match color with red. This is my magnum opus of disgusting. Okay? This is my magnum opus of disgusting. I want you guys to know this. I hope everybody sees where this is going. Okay? Does everyone see where this is going? And then everything else, I mean, all right, I think we're close. This is recursive definition. All right. Do we have a begin and do we have an end properly placed? We have a string match with this one. We do all this one. We don't have a begin and end here. Begin. All right. Yes. 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 All right, so this is, how do I do max? What's the max number? Max int OCaml. How do I, there must be like a little thing, whatever. I'll just write it. I'm just going to write it. F it. Let max a b equals if a, there we go. F it. We're going to use our own max. F it. Node cubes. Yep, that looks great. All right, so I don't think, I don't know if this is, let's go like that. Max to max int, yeah. And then I have odd calling to this. I'm having some odd calling of this, right? Yeah, I'm calling it oddly, aren't I? There we go. All right, so we have all these things. And then I guess at the end of the day, I need to return out red, green, blue. Right? Yes, that's what I need to do. Yeah. Is this not how you return something out? Do I need to put like commas in there? Oh, I need to turn it into a tuple? Is that what I need to do? Do I need to turn this into a tuple? All right. Oh, man, I could have probably done this easier. All right. Right? There we go. Yes. Okay, so now I return it all out. Now I have it all tupled up. And so now we're going to get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Wait, what? Do I need this? We're going to parse rounds, parse round, bam, 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 bam. Map is valid round. No. We're going to do, what did I call the thing? Min dice. We're going to min dice that SOB. That means we should have, yes, we should have power sets to this. We should fold left. That means X is not a bool. X should not be a bool. Let's see, game sum. Dice sum, right? This thing should be a, what is the thing? What is the thing? The thing should be 0. And then we should erase this and go like this. Can I just do this? Dude, how cool would that be if I could do X? Can I do that? Can I pattern match in function definition? Is that allowed? Pattern matching? Tom, thank you. Am I allowed to? Dude, how sweet would that be? Like that would just be the best. If I could pattern match parentheses, okay. Yes, I love you. Yes, I just love you. Just love you. Just love you. String event. Hold on. Current sum. Hold on. Sum. Whoopsies. Let. Oh my goodness. Sum equals sum plus dice. Yes. There we go. Dude, just tell me this works. Tell me you work. Tell me you work. Tell me you work with me. Tell me you work with me. Tell me this works. Oopsies. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. I'm sure I could have just called them both. All right. How close did we get? Let's find out. How do we do? Let's see. Why is not using value even a hard error? Is this Golang? Yeah, why not? They just want you to be good, okay? They want you to do good things. All right, so let's see. It should be 12, 15, 16. Let's see. Game 1 is 48. Okay, do I get 48? Do I get a 48? Do I get a 48? Can I get a 48? I get 12. Why? I should have a 6 for blue. All right, so here's one of my problems that I see that I'm going to have a bit of a problem with, which is that I could see this being very annoying is trying to debug this stuff. Right? We get 1, 2, 6. I'm not putting them all together. Do you see that? I'm not putting them all together. Which is why I'm not getting a big enough thing right here. I see what happens. So I'm not reducing them all down. So this one right here, I need to then reduce on top of this thing. Is that right? Yes. So I almost need to fold left. I know I can combine these. I'm not very good. I'm not good at combining them yet. Okay. Okay, I'm not good at it yet, so just shut up. Just shut up. See, man, I bet you there's a way. I should be able to just combine them up here. I'm a little confused as to why I can't combine them right here. What am I doing wrong here? I thought I was going over every single thing inside of a list of rounds. So I thought I was producing it here. That's my confusing part, is I thought I did it right here. I thought I did it right there, but I'm not. Do you know what I mean? That's why I'm in this predicament to begin with. Do we have a list of lists? Okay, so what am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong? So I produce the rounds, and then I'm doing a min dice on each round, but I'm not doing a min dice on all of them. So my guess is that what's happening here? Let's find out. I just want to make sure that I am reading my own code correctly. Have I read my own code correctly? Yes, I have read my own code correctly. So I'm passing them in one at a time. So I'm parsing when I guess I don't technically need to parse them like this. I don't need to do that. I've already parsed them. I've already parsed it all out, so I should just go like this. Yes, I've already parsed everything all out. Right? Ooh, no. I mean, it is rounds. It is rounds. It is... Okay, hold on. I do want this thing. I believe I want this thing. I believe I do. Do I? Am I parsing this thing twice? What is parse... Dude, now I feel so stupid. Okay, each one of these are rounds. Okay. All right, we're gonna have rounds here. We're gonna have rounds right here, and we're gonna go like this. List. We're gonna want to fold this crap in here. We're gonna want to take this thing in here. Right? I think I'm on the... You're not gonna understand this code in the next week. I don't think so. Yeah. Well, it's partially. The problem is that I'm not...
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
The problem is okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go like this. I know what I want to do. 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 I know this is not quite... It's like this. Shh. Don't. Just let it happen. Okay, don't say anything. Uh-oh. Did I get to some weird state that I forgot? Hold on. How did I get to this bad state? How did we get here? Did I do this correct? I think I did this correct. I think I did this correct. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, how have I missed it? Stop missing! Right? Did I do that right? Did I not do that right? Give me A, B, and C. Current sum, 549. I don't see a 5 in there. How did I get a 5? 3 blue, 6 blue. Okay, so 6 should be that. 2 green, 2 green. Green should be 2. So where's my 2? How did I lose my 2? People, how did we lose my 2? Oh, I'm adding them, aren't I? I'm adding them. You're right. I'm adding them. I'm adding them like a dum-dum. We don't want to add. Is there... Yes. Do the rest for me. Do the rest. Do the rest. Genius. I knew it. Gosh, we got it right. We got it right. We got it right. There we go. You're acting like this bank is Fang or so on. Okay, there we go. We got it. First try. Look at that. Oh, gosh. I'm like, I really suck at OCaml. That's what I've taken out of this is I am terrible at OCaml. I feel like I'm more lost in the sauce than anything else when dealing with it still. My brain does not think in lists like this. I'm positive I could write this better. It just takes, love the struggle. It's educational. Yeah, but it's a paradigm shift with, yeah, it is. And obviously, like, I'm in the, getting better. First fold left today. I folded left. We folded left. You know, 2 days of doing OCaml for Advent of Code, there's a couple things I've learned. One, I've learned that I am really terrible at functional programming. And two, I already feel like I need to tell people about the glories of functional programming. It is strange. What's happening to my body, I don't understand. Okay? I don't understand what happened. Now try it with Python. We already did it with, I did it in like, how much time was it? I did from part 1 to part 2 in JavaScript in 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Right? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very, very simple.